I am John Paul Catibog. Forensic chemistry. And the forensic chemistry refers to the branch of chemistry that deals with the application of chemical theories and principle in the solution of legal problems in problems in relation to the administration of justice. Forensic science deals with the application of the broad spectrum of science with the interest to the legal system. Often shorted as forensics, came from the Latin word forensic, meaning or of our beautiful forum. Strip of line search, typical use in outdoor scenes of cover large area, wherein details examination of necessary to quadrant zone sector search. This is used when the crime scene is particularly large. This type of search require crime scene to be divided into 4 large quadrants. Work well with building with warrant search. 3. Grade of double strip search. A combination of strip search and is beneficial in large crime scene, particularly outdoors scenes. For spiral search, this is conducted with the searching officer starting at the focal point of the crime scene or center of the area. This is good pattern for confined area such as small room. 5. Will be search. This is done based on a circle surrounding the crime scene. The circle is divided into 6 quadrants. Forensic investigation is the gathering and analysis of physical evidence related to the crime in order to reach conclusion about a suspect, to determine how a crime occurred. Investigator will examine blood, hold of fingerprints, produce hard device, computers, or other technology. Event stage of crime scene. 1. Approach the scene to secure and protect 3. Evaluate the physical evidence. 4. Prepare a narrative instruction. 5. Photograph the scenes. 6. Prepare a sketch. 7. Conduct a detailed search. 9. Record and collect physically. 10. Conduct a Philippine survey. 11. Release crime. Different methods of crime scene search. Strip or line search. Current zone sector search. Grade of double trip search. Bar spiral search. 5. Wheel search. Strip of line search. Typical use in outdoor scenes to cover large area where deterrent examination is necessary. 2. Quarantine zone sector search. Macro-weighting is unproduced for revealing the large-scale structure of a metallic specimen that is structure visible with the unadated eyes by etching an appropriately prepared surface. The produce is used in process mata as both a quality control tool and an investigator tool. Purpose: macro etching. It is used to determine whether the serial number of motor vehicle or firearms are tampered. Purpose of macro etching. 2. It is used to restore the original number of an article. Paraffin test, a method used for detection of gunshot residue. This test determines whether a person has discharged a gun. Gun residue. It is mainly composed of burned and unburned particle for the propellant, the explosive primer, and the components from the bullet, as well as the cartridge case and the firearm used. Trace evidence. It is the material left behind when two objects or people interact. It may be microscopic like a skin cell, or macroscopic like a hair, and all trace evidence is small truth to have been transferred during an interaction between the perpetrator, victim, and the environment in which the crime has combined. Translate evidence is temporary, easily changed or loose, usually observed by the first officer at the scenes. Odor, putrefaction, perfume, gasoline, urine, burning, explosive, cigarettes or cigar smoke. Temperature, surrounding car, food, coffee, water in a bathtub, imprints and indentation, footprint, teeth marks in perishable foods, tear marks of certain surface. Class evidence has characteristic of a group of items. Example: hair, fibers, t-shirts, duct tape, blood type. Individual evidence nailed to a single source. Example: DNA, fingerprints, broken glass that match perfectly. Example: tattooing, small discrete black speck which can be wiped up cause due to grain of gunpowder drive into skin. Drug is any synthetic or natural substance that is used to produce physiological effects to human. Low explosive burn at a much slower rate and create less pressure combined combustible substance and an oxidant at sufficient temperature. High explosive donate instantaneously burn more rapidly and create more. Consider it dangerous because it is unstable chemical. Arson is the crime of malicious, voluntary, and willful settings fire to building or property of another for an improper purpose, as to collect insurance. Degree. First degree arson, an act in which a person set a fire to an occupied home or building. Second degree arson, an act in which a person set fire to an or abandoned structure. Third degree arson, an act which a person set fire to an abandoned area of space such a vacant lot. Physical evidence constrains to tangible objects such as biological materials, fibers, and fingerprints. Physical evidence is any object that can connect a victim or suspect to a crime scene. Biological evidence, which contain DNA, is not always visible to the naked eye. Evidence is object that can connect a victim or suspect a crime scene.